Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're making a fence. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and switch out EV to Cycles. I'm going to go ahead and take the default cube and press S for scale, scale this up slightly, and then S for scale and bring this down. This will be our base pole. So we're going to go with G, bring this up. And what I'm going to do, let's add a material to this and just make this as kind of like a grey or a black or something like that. So we're going to take this one, Shift D, come on, Shift D, and then we're going to go 20, and then we'll go ahead and we'll place a little plane between these two. So let's go with plane, let's go with G, move it roughly to the middle. We will alpha rotate this at 90 degrees, G again. And what you're going to want to do is just press S for scale. And let's go to edit mode. Select the sides right here. Let's go with G. Bring this down and then just go ahead and essentially just place this in between the poles as such. So we're going to go with this edit mode. Right click shade smooth. Let's go with A to select everything. Right click subdivide. And we should be able to get this. Sorry, 1 second. Let's go objects mode again, edit mode, A to select everything, and we should be right click subdivide, right click subdivide. For some reason it's not working. If it's not working on yours, go Control R, and then we should be able to scroll. Actually, place it on the face plate first. That's my mistake. Face plate, subdivide. It should be. For some reason not working. Why is that not working? Let's shade that smooth. We should. That's really weird. Let's go ahead and just get rid of that one. We'll go and add in a new plane. G, bring this to the middle, alpha rotates 90 degrees, maybe it was a glitch or something. S for scale, get it to both sides. And then we'll scale this upwards. Right, let's go again, edit, right click subdivide, there we go. For some reason it wasn't working. Right, so right click subdivide as many times as you need to. Let's go to modifiers, add modifier. We will go with wireframe. Go back to object mode and you should have something like this. Let's go and just pull down that meters between. And I'm going to go ahead and place the material as the original material for the two poles right here. Let's go ahead, and I think we were 20 between each one, so let's go and take this one and this one. We'll go with Shift D, and then it should be 20 between. Let's go Shift D again, and 20. Shift D again, and you've got 20. And then you can go Shift D, 20 again, and that would generally be a rough fence. Let's go with add, and we can do plane, S for scale, and then scale it across a little bit more as such. So we've got this and this is 20. So if you wanted to go backwards with this, all you need to do is select this one and this pole right here, and we're going to go Shift D and -20 for this one. So that is a basic fence for this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.